Snooker is a famous prompt game played on a rectangular table covered with a green material known as baize. It includes utilising a prompt to strike a white signal ball, intending to pot 21 hued balls into 6 pockets, situated at the corners and centre of each lengthy side of the table. Snooker is a round of both offence and guard. While the objective is to pot balls and collect focuses, players frequently leave the prompt ball in a place that makes it challenging for their rival to score. This is called well-being play. Fruitful snooker players offset going after shots with protective strategies, continuously thinking a few manoeuvres ahead. Snooker is a round of both offence and safeguard. While the objective is to pot balls and collect focuses, players frequently leave the prompt ball in a place that makes it challenging for their rival to score. This is called security play. Effective snooker players offset going after shots with guarded strategies, continuously thinking a few manoeuvres ahead. Welcome everyone to this exciting amateur snooker match. There's a lot of excitement in the air as two local talents square off. Both players are relatively new to the game, but that's what makes this even more thrilling. Anything can happen. Here, the beginners playing snooker. These two Kong hardly play snooker, but it seems they had the talent and they played well. They need encouragement and practice. This Kong seems very perfect to play snooker. She shot, pocketed the balls as if she had played snooker before. It seems both of them can't get enough to play snooker. They have been playing here for more than 2 hours.
No way!
They made some shots and aimed at the cue perfectly. Look how their eyes and hands pointing sharply at the ball. This gorgeous and stylish lady, in spite of wearing Jainsem, she looked fit and fine playing snooker with her own dress. Both of them had fun, though not well versed with snooker. They can target and shoot nearly accurately. Next time when they play, perhaps they can play much, much better than today. They need more regular practice with a guidance. Look at her eyes, look at her posture, look at the stick she handled, look at the edge of the stick aiming the ball. She seems a bit professional though, not played before.
No, yay!
This Kong in pink-coloured Jainsem steps up for the break. She strikes with a controlled pace. It's a gentle, cautious break, scattering the reds slightly, but no ball finds a pocket. This Kong in checked green Jainsem is assessing the table. It's her first shot and she's looking a little nervous. She lines it up, takes a deep breath, but she's just missed it by an inch. Now it's Kong in pink-coloured Jainsem's turn again. She's got a chance at a red sitting near the middle pocket. She takes her time, focusing, and there it is. The white has rolled nicely for the yellow, which she pots confidently. Kong in checked green Jainsem needs to take advantage of this mistake. She steps up, aiming for a red near the corner pocket. She's looking a bit more focused now. She hits the ball and nearly in. Kong in pink-coloured Jainsem is back at the table and he looks determined. It's not an easy shot for an amateur, but she's going for it. She strikes, and it's a brilliant pot. Kong in checked green Jainsem is in a tough spot now. She's looking at a snooker. She tries to play a clever escape, aiming for the red, but she's fouled.
As we head into the final stages of this amateur game, Kong in pink-colored Jainsem is still in the lead, but Kong in checked green Jainsem isn't far behind.
Playing snooker is both a tomfoolery and testing experience. It expects practice to foster dexterity, vital reasoning, and mental discipline. Whether you're playing nonchalantly with companions or contending in competitions, snooker is a game that rewards expertise, accuracy, and vital profundity. Snooker is a round of both offence and safeguard. While the objective is to pop balls and collect focuses, players frequently leave the prompt ball in a place that makes it challenging for their rival to score. This is called security play. Effective snooker players offset going after shots with guarded strategies, continuously thinking a few manoeuvres ahead.
it's Kong in pink color Jainsem's turn. She steps up and pots the ball smoothly. She cheers for the success.
What an exciting match between two amateurs who showed real grit and determination. Both players had their moments, but in the end, it was Kong in pink color Jainsem who kept her cool under pressure to secure the win. A great game overall.